guys, it's me with Luna. I am behind the camera. Hello. And before I show you this cool thing, you need to smash that like button in the face for good luck. Ew. Luna pooped. So I'm going to be showing you. You have 5 seconds to guess what this is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a bird's nest. There are 4 little robin eggs in there, but I don't want to disturb the nest too much. So those are the robin eggs, and I need to tell you something really important about birds. Wait, Haley. Yes, Luna? Can I tell them? Okay. So, a mother bird lays her eggs, right? And they're going to hunt for food, but they're still near the eggs. And then an intruder comes over, and they think it's a predator, so they don't come to the eggs and make sure that they're okay. But when that happens, the eggs die because they need their mother to survive. So they think that Haley is a predator. Luna, when did you learn all this stuff? I don't know. 1 like people equals 1 answer. And also, eat Cheez-Its. They're delicious. And also, smash that like button in the face. If you want me to not chew you up like my favorite dog toy over here. Look how terrifying I am. I am a monster. Bam, 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 bam.